Beast mode! Woohoo! No days off! No days off! Woo!
Parker,
Yeah!
Parker.
Whoa.
Don't you see my shirt, bro?
What does it say?
Nope. Not today.
But why?
Because we need rest. We need recovery, bro. It's a day off. Like,
Team no days off. I've seen those hashtags.
bro, those hashtags might get you likes, but they're not going to get you those gains.
Oh. I didn't know that, actually. I thought you had to go every single day.
I mean, you might have to do something every day, but it could just be like stretching or just moving around or like just relaxing a little bit.
What's that called?
That's called recovery.
Oh, that's not a hashtag, actually. I didn't know that.
So like, think of it this way. We break down our bodies in the gym and we're like tearing it down all the time. Like we have to take a second and rebuild all the damage that we just did to our body. And we rebuild it stronger than it was before.
With the aesthetic Bible, like I'm building every day. That's why I'm in the gym.
Put your bro Bible down and just follow what I'm saying.
The Swoley Bible? You want me to get rid of the fucking Swoley Bible?
I know. It's not gonna lose your gains, but it might hurt your ego.
Oh, okay. Yeah, so on a real note, it's super important for recovery. Most of your gains actually are gonna come when?
You're recovering.
When you're recovering, when you're sleeping. So when your body's repairing itself. We tend to get people that come to us with overuse injuries when they're doing it on their own because they think they go into it and they're like, man, I'm gonna do like 7 days a week.
Yeah, or like I want this body part to be, improve, and they think that working that body part extremely frequently is gonna improve that, and when in reality, it needs rest too. So some of the factors that I like to point on are sleep, stretching, even just doing like a light active recovery day, it can be a good effective form of recovery where you're actually moving a little bit but not actually working out.
Yeah, so huge things that you can do, like great example, we've talked about swimming before. Swimming is like actually a great recovery when you're not doing it in a competitive fashion. So if you're just in the water playing with your kids, that's one great way. You're still getting some activity, but you're relaxed, you're hanging out by the pool. That's just one example I can think of off the top of my head.
Yeah, I mean, even just like going for a walk or a long walk with your dog or your kids or something like that can be a good form of like active recovery. You're getting the blood flowing and you're moving, you're burning a little extra calories, but you're not actually like damaging the body or like working the body anymore.
Yeah, so there are a lot of different ways that you can be somewhat active, but you don't actually have to be out there doing a workout, trying to make progress, because you actually make the most progress when you take some time off.
Yeah, so it's not all about the Swoley Bible and those bro gains, but at the same time, we're trying to really teach you guys the fundamentals that's gonna keep you guys successful and keep you guys injury free.
Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Please like our video, subscribe, share it with your friends.
Yeah, because we're doing nothing but trying to help you guys out.
And hopefully you're recovering while you watch this, right? You recovering?
Are you? You in there? You guys in TV land?